Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. I'm working on my vise here, mounting it to the bench. I made a short, and this is a vise that was my grandfather's that my dad just recently gave me. And I thought this thing was like a 6-inch vise, but I had to laugh because evidently my 6 inches were off. But look at how much this thing will hold. It's like 9 inches open right now, and I think it'll actually go a little bit farther. Might go to 10. And then it has the two handles. But then I said I couldn't find a name on it, but then I found a name. And the name here is Reed Manufacturing, Erie, Pennsylvania, USA. We need more of that, made in the USA. But then I was looking at these patent dates, and if you look at these things, 1908, this one right here, 1908, 1912, and 1914. So this thing's possibly 100 years old. I can't believe that. But it still works, and it's a heavy-duty one, boy. So this is a welcome addition to my tools. Plus memories of my grandfather. I can remember my grandfather as he was older, sitting on his porch and talking to me. He says, I used to do work and get tired. He says, now I think about work and I get tired. So he was quite a bit of a reflective thinker over his life in his latter days. And he often said, I wish in my life I'd been more aggressive. So, and what he meant by that was taking more risks and doing more. So anyways, take it easy, guys.